Hello, my name is Eva. What would you like to eat? May I take your order? Yes, I would like a hamburger and large order of French fries, please. All right, and would you like salads? Yes, I would like a meat green salad. Okay, what kind of dressing would you like? We have vinaigrette, Italian, and French. Italian, please. And would you like anything to drink? Oh, yes, I would like a large soda, please. Now, my conversation in the restaurant. Hello, welcome to Mauro's restaurant. What would you like to order? Hi, thank you very much. Well, I would like a special ribeye and an order of cooked potatoes, please. Of course. And would you like salads? Oh no, thank you so much. I can eat salads. Oh, so sorry. And would you like something to drink? Oh, for sure. I would like a mojito, but you don't have. I would like a coat. Would you like something else? And no, that would be all. Thank you so much. Here you have, here you had your order, miss. Oh, thank you. It goes really quickly. Could I have the bill, please? Here you have it. Okay, here you have the payment. Thank you so much. You are very kind. You are, you are welcome. I hope you come back soon.